Here's a problem related to Adobe Premiere Pro. If I drag and drop a clip onto the timeline, then the audio and video will not be grouped together. So if I move the top one, which is the video, notice that the audio remained behind and we have already 16 seconds of delay. They are out of sync. I can do the same thing with the audio also. If I move the audio, the video remains behind. And they are not unlinked, so if I select them, unlink is still available. I can unlink them, but I can still move them. Of course, now they are unlinked. Select both of them and link. Now they are linked, but they are still moving separately. Okay, so finally to solve this problem, first enable a snap. Okay, and now move, let's say, the audio, and it will jump exactly to the beginning. And this red marking, that 6 seconds, will disappear. Okay, so now they are synchronized. Now check the next one also, linked selection. With linked selection, they are moving together. So make sure this one is checked. So if I clear this list, Ctrl A to select it, delete to eliminate them, and import the same clip once again. Now since link selection is enabled, it's blue, now I can move them and they are moving together. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.